Journalists from all across the nation had gathered at the Jamshed Bhabha Theatre, National Centre for Performing Arts (NCPA) yesterday for the Mumbai Press Club's annual Redink Awards. This year, altogether 32 journalists were honoured out of over 1,000 entries across 15 categories. As a part of the event, a discussion on the theme "Journalism is Dead, Long Live Journalism" was conducted, which was moderated by senior editor of NDTV, Abhishek Sharma, and the panelists include senior journalist Barkha Dutt, Mumbai Mirror editor Meenal Baghel and Manipur journalist, and also the deputy editor of Tom TV, Kishorechandra Wangkhemcha, who was also felicitated with a memento of appreciation at the prestigious Redink Awards 2019 event. In this regard, Wangkhemcha said, "I thought it was my duty to bring out the truth. Once I was jailed under the NSA Act, the narratives of my truth in the paper changed."